Hello, today I want to show you the difference in performance between three different data center drives. Uh, One is the SAS drive, which is 10K12G, and the second one is SSD data center version 5100 Max by Micron, and the third one is HHHL card with Samsung, which is PM1725A. I use ATTO disk benchmark software 3 times to do these tests. And first, I use it against the SAS drive and run the test by all the defaults. This take a while, so I just pause the video and I will get back to you when running is finished. See you then. Okay, I'm back and the test is almost finished. As you see from the test, the software starts with small block size and measure both the read and write of that block size, and then increase the block size and go to the next level. In the beginning, the read is too much in difference of the performance between the write because of the cache which is enabled on the rate controller. And as soon as the block size is going higher, the speed is also going higher till we reach to this level. And from here, it's maximum 230 megabyte, and it will go up to the end, both read and write the same. So this is pretty much maximum performance which you can take from a RAID 0 SAS drive on the data center. I use the Lenovo server SR590 second generation with a scalable second generation Xeon processor. Now I use the second time the test, which is based on the Micron 5100 SSD drive. I just select it and run the test with the default configuration. Again, the test will take a while, so I pause the video and get back to you when it has been finished. See you then. All right, the test is almost finished, and if you have a look, again, the behavior is almost the same, except that the numbers are completely different. The starting size is far away from whatever it was on the SAS drive, and the same exists for the write and read. And when we increase the block size, again, the performance is being increased, and the difference is considerable. But as you see, when the block sizes are small, the differences in the performance are much higher. So normally what we have in a data center is a mixed environment, and the block sizes are normally small. Then for bigger I/O, the performance will be the same. So if you compare the initial sections, there is a very big performance difference, and that is why the SSD drives is being used in the data center recently, and the performance of the database exchange and all has been raised just because all of them are I/O incentive and use normally the small I/Os. All right, so I'm going to run the software for the third time. This time I want to use it on a HHHL PCI card, which is NVMe drives provided by the Samsung. The model is PM1725A, and it is not connected to the RAID controller of the server in any way, so you don't have that much cache which was dedicated to the server. And this time NVMe is only running by its own, and you see the difference in the performance. As you see, again, on read size, it is completely different than the right side. And it is because there is not that much cache. So if you compare the two right of the drives between SSD, for example, and NVMe, or between SATA and NVMe, it's a huge difference on the right initially. And then it will increase up to the very end, which is too much. And also the read performance increases and reach to a reasonable amount comparing to other two drives. And this is pretty much it. If you come and have a look on the different numbers, you will receive to a conclusion that today in 2020, which I'm recording this video, the cost of the NVMe drives are much lower than before, and they are very affordable. So your total cost of ownership will go lower. And if you consider the performance difference, you will see you will use less resources and you will gain higher performances. So definitely you should use NVMe in 2020. And before, the drives had smaller capacities also. Now we have bigger capacities, and we can have many different scenarios to deploy the NVMe in the data center. But the challenge is only the RAID, which is not being deployed by default. And there is different solutions, which I will discuss with you in my other videos, hopefully. And that's it. If you have any question or any suggestion to this video, I will be glad if you kindly send it to my email address, which is mentioned below the video right now. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.